All right, upon looking at this, I did find my shaft seal back there leaking. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's kind of a weird spot to see, but that shaft seal coming out of the motor is leaking at 25 hours. I'm going to have to pull that out. I think the first thing I'm going to do, just to give myself a bunch of room to film and view, is to take this ducting out. Probably not actually required for you guys. I'm just going to do it to make it easier to film. I'm going to take that prop shaft out to make that easy. That should be pretty simple. It looks like 2 bolts. It should have enough room to slide back and then be able to pull that out, and then I'll be able to get to that seal. Hopefully it pops out like the old ones. A couple of wood screws and a slide hammer, and it should pop right out. Let's see how this goes. I am going to preemptively lube that joint up, because we're going to have to slap this joint on it. Same with this one. So we're going to go ahead and let that kind of soak in there a little bit. And let's go ahead and loosen these up. That looks like it's probably a 13 or a 15. Let's see. All right, getting this drive shaft out wasn't bad at all. You just loosen up these bolts. I used an Unga Dunga and a Ritchie ratchet on the back side. Once I had them all loose, I went and I engaged the 4-wheel drive and put it in neutral, and I rotated the wheel back and forth to be able to pop all the bolts out, and then the drive shaft slid forward and backward and was able to get out really easily. And then after that, I used a self-tapping screw. I screwed into it just a little bit to make the hole, and then I pulled it out and I broke the tip off so it wouldn't go into the bearing. And then I re-threaded it in, attached a set of vice grips to it, and then I pried off the back side of here with a flat blade screwdriver when the vice grips were attached off the vice grips, and the seal popped right out. Not a bad job at all. I just put the new seal in, I cleaned everything up, and now I'm about to put some oil in it just to make sure that it doesn't leak, and then from there I think we'll be pretty good. So not a bad job at all. Definitely doable. Doesn't take too long, especially now that I've done it. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with oil, make sure it doesn't leak, and then I'm going to reinstall everything, reinstall the CVT boot and the drive shaft and everything, and we'll be good to go. So just want to make sure that you guys had short video, super simple. Hopefully it helped you guys. Peace.